Vitamins are a heterogeneous group of organic compounds essential for the growth and maintenance of animal life. The majority of vitamins are not synthesized by the animal in that they are not chemically related to one another. They are present in small quantities within animal and plant foodstuffs and are required by the animal body in trace amounts. Approximately 15 vitamins have been isolated from biological materials. They are essential depending on the animal species, the growth rate of the animal, feed composition, and the bacterial synthesizing capacity of the gastrointestinal and physiological deficiency signs when individual vitamins are absent from the diet. Vitamin A exists only in animal tissues and is present either in the form of retinol or tetrahydrogenol. A vitamin A precursor is found in plant tissues in the form of the carotenoid pigments. Once ingested by the animals, these plant pigments can be converted into active vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for vision, and rich dietary sources are found in fish oils. Vitamin D. The major source in nature is cholecalciferol. It only exists in animal tissues. The primary use is for the absorption of calcium from the gastrointestinal tract and for the calcification of growing bones. The metabolic functions are produced in the liver and then the kidney. Rich dietary sources include fish liver oils, animal liver meals and oils, and fish meal. Vitamin E, tocopherol, acts as a lipid-soluble, extracellular and intracellular antioxidant within the animal body. It helps protect the highly unsaturated fatty acids present in the subcellular membranes. It also plays an important role in cellular respiration and the biosynthesis of DNA and coenzyme Q. Dietary sources are grains and beans, vegetable oils, and green leaf crops. Vitamin K, phylloquinone. This is the most simplest form in its synthetic derivative, menadione. Vitamin K is required for maintenance of normal blood coagulation. It helps with the production and release of various plasma proteins required for blood coagulation. Rich dietary sources are alfalfa meal, fish meal, liver meal, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C is an essential supplement for primates, guinea pigs, and fish, as they cannot produce their own. Vitamin C in the form of ascorbic acid and sodium calcium ascorbic phosphate is safe for all species. Supplementing feed with ascorbic acid and sodium calcium ascorbic phosphate are regarded as effective sources of vitamin C when added to feed or drinking water. It is thought they play a critical role in immune response. Sources of natural vitamin C are fruit and leafy vegetables. If vitamin C is lacking in the diet, it can cause scurvy.
Water-soluble vitamins break down in the presence of water. These vitamins are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. All of these B vitamins help the body convert food carbs into fuel glucose. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. These can be given as individual supplement, also in multivitamins. Thiamine is an essential nutrient as it helps tissue of the body, including the brain, to function properly. Thiamine helps the body to make adenosine triphosphate, which transports energy within cells. Deficiency can cause weight loss, malaise, irritability and confusion, and it is synthesized in bacteria, fungi and plants. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. It can be found in certain foods such as milk, meat, nuts, eggs, enriched flour and green vegetables. Riboflavin is required for proper development of the function of the skin, lining of the digestive tract and blood cells, and many other body parts. Deficiency signs: reduced growth rates in young, conjunctivitis, corneal opacity, skin lesions and hair loss. The world's healthiest foods rich in B2: soybeans, spinach, beet greens, yogurt, mushrooms, eggs, asparagus, almonds and turkey. Vitamin B3, niacin, is what it's commonly known as, found in many foods including yeast, fish, milk, meat, green vegetables, beans, eggs, and cereal grains. Niacin is also found in many vitamin B complex supplements with other B vitamins. Niacin is used for high cholesterol. Vitamin B5, also called panthenate. For many animals, panthenate is an essential nutrient. Animals require panthenate to synthesize and metabolize proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Small quantities of panthenate are found in nearly every food, with high amounts in avocado, whole grains, eggs, meats, royal jelly, and yogurt. Can cause reduced growth rates, dermatitis, and hemorrhaging. Present as a Ca and an Na salt, most commonly given as a Ca salt, as it is less hygroscopic than the Na salt. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, can be found in certain foods such as beans, vegetables, meat, liver, eggs, and cereal. It can also be made in the labs. Pyridoxine is used for preventing and treating low levels of tired blood, also known as anemia. It is also used for heart disease, high cholesterol, reducing blood levels of homocysteine, a chemical that can be linked to heart disease. Can cause convulsions and affects the nervous system. Vitamin B7, biotin. This vitamin is necessary for cell growth, the production of fatty acids, and the metabolism of fats and amino acids. Biotin assists in various metabolic reactions involving the transfer of carbon dioxide. It may also be helpful in maintaining a steady blood sugar level. The first demonstration of biotin deficiency in animals was observed in animals fed raw egg white. Rats fed egg white protein were found to develop dermatitis, alopecia, and neuromuscular dysfunction. This syndrome, called egg white injury, was discovered to be caused by a glyprotein found in egg white. Avidin denatures upon heating. This means cooking. This protein binds extremely well with biotin, making it unavailable for use in enzymatic reactions. Deficiency symptoms include hair loss, alopecia, conjunctivitis, and dermatitis, in the form of a scaly red rash around the eyes, nose, mouth, and genital area. Like any other B vitamin, vitamin B9, also commonly known as folic acid, is an important nutrient for the metabolism. It is necessary for synthesizing fatty acids. It also corresponds with vitamin B12 to produce certain amino acids. Folic acid is necessary for manufacturing DNA hormones. This translates into a wide range of vital functions such as immune health, tissue repair, digestive tract maintenance, blood cell development, neural health, and fetal development. Most farm animals can synthesize their own folic acid when provided with green forages, including high-quality hay. In some cases, poultry and swine may benefit from receiving vitamin B9 in their diet. This can be in the form of cereal grains, soybean meal, and animal proteins. Deficiency signs can be lethargy, difficulty swallowing, swallowing tongue, oral ulcers, baldness, brittle feathers, loss of pigment in their feathers, slipped tendons, pneumonia, anemia, reduced feed intake, diarrhea, stiff extended neck, reduced egg production, dramatic decline in hatchability, birth defects, and poor growth. Vitamin B12, also called cobalamin, which plays a key role in normal functioning of the brain and nervous system. It's one of 8 B vitamins. It is normally involved in the metabolism of every cell of the human body, especially affecting DNA synthesis and regulation, but also fatty acid metabolism and amino acid metabolism. Neither fungi, plants, nor animals are capable of producing vitamin B12. Only bacteria and archaea have the enzymes required for its synthesis, although many foods are a natural source of B12 because of bacteria symbiosis. The vitamin is the largest and most structurally complicated vitamin and can be produced industrially only through bacterial fermentation synthesis. Thanks for watching by Debbie and Emily.